Welcome to London, the city where history, culture and modern vibrancy collide. If you're planning a trip to this incredible metropolis, you're in for a treat. From royal palaces to ancient towers and iconic landmarks, there's so much to explore. But what if you could make your trip even better? Stick around as we reveal the absolute best places to visit and the top guided tours that will give you a VIP experience in London. Let's go. First up, Westminster Abbey. For over 1,000 years, this hallowed ground has witnessed the coronations of kings and queens and served as the final resting place for some of Britain's most illustrious figures. A guided tour here will peel back the layers of history, revealing fascinating insights into the lives and times of those who shaped a nation. You'll wander through its hallowed halls, tracing the footsteps of monarchs and marveling at the intricate craftsmanship that adorns every corner. Book your entrance ticket in advance to ensure a smooth and seamless visit. And of course, no trip to London is complete without a visit to Buckingham Palace. Witness the pomp and ceremony of the changing of the guard. With a specialized guided tour, this dream becomes a reality. You'll be privy to the best views, gaining insights and anecdotes from expert guides who bring the history of the palace to life. Feel the weight of history upon you as you step inside the official residence of the king. The grandeur of the staterooms will transport you to a bygone era of elegance and splendor. Secure your tickets in advance, especially during peak seasons, to avoid disappointment. Please check the links in the description to book guided tours and ensure you don't miss out on hidden gems at these destinations. If you're fascinated by royal history, don't miss Kensington Palace, the former home of Queen Victoria and the birthplace of Princess Diana's legacy. Nestled amidst the lush greenery of Kensington Gardens, this elegant palace offers a glimpse into the lives of some of history's most captivating royals. A guided tour will unveil the stories behind her iconic style, her humanitarian work, and the enduring love she shared with her sons, William and Harry. Stroll through its grand halls and uncover centuries of royal secrets. And for a truly British experience, why not enjoy a guided tour of Kensington Palace Gardens, finishing with an elegant royal high tea? Picture yourself strolling through the meticulously manicured gardens, a symphony of colours and scents delighting your senses. As you wander amidst the vibrant flower beds and serene ponds, you'll stumble upon hidden grottos and statues, each with its own story to tell. Delight in fine teas and delicious pastries while soaking in stunning palace views. Each bite of delectable finger sandwiches, freshly baked scones with clotted cream and jam, and an assortment of pastries is a symphony of flavors that transports you to a realm of pure indulgence. Don't forget to check the links in the description to book guided tours and secure tickets to must-see places in London. Let's step back in time to one of London's most famous fortresses, the Tower of London. This historic castle has stood for nearly 1,000 years, holding prisoners, treasures, and legends. A guided tour here will take you through its eerie dungeons, execution sites, and, of course, the breathtaking Crown Jewels exhibition. Prepare to be chilled to the bone as you descend into the depths of the tower's dungeons. And as you emerge from the darkness, you'll be greeted by the dazzling brilliance of the Crown Jewels exhibition. Witness the most dazzling royal treasures in the world, an unforgettable experience. Behold the legendary sovereign's scepter, topped with the Cullinan diamond, the largest clear-cut diamond in the world. Gaze upon the imperial state crown, its shimmering jewels a testament to the power and majesty of the British monarchy. Each piece tells a story, whispering tales of coronations, conquests, and the enduring legacy of a nation. So, dear traveller, as you explore the Tower of London, open your heart to the whispers of the past. For the best views of London, hop on a Thames River cruise, glide past landmarks like the Shard, Shakespeare's Globe, and the Houses of Parliament as you relax on a boat ride from Westminster to Greenwich. Each bend in the river reveals a new vista, a captivating blend of old and new. Marvel at the gleaming skyscrapers that pierce the sky, their modern architecture a stark contrast to the time-worn facades of historic buildings that line the riverbanks. And for those who love exploring on foot, a London walking tour is an absolute must. Lace up your most comfortable shoes, grab a map, and prepare to lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets that wind their way through the city. You'll cover over 30 iconic sites from Covent Garden to Trafalgar Square, all while uncovering the city's rich history and hidden gems. Feel the cobblestones beneath your feet, worn smooth by centuries of footsteps. Each street corner, each narrow alleyway whispers tales of London's past. Don't forget to check the links in the description to book guided tours. Calling all Harry Potter fans, if you've ever dreamed of receiving your Hogwarts letter, this experience is for you. The Making of Harry Potter Studio Tour, located just outside London, is not just a tour, it's a pilgrimage to the heart of a beloved story. Ever wanted to step into the wizarding world? Imagine stepping through the doors of the Great Hall, its enchanted ceiling a mirror image of the night sky. Feel the thrill of walking down Diagon Alley, peering into the windows of Ollivander's Wand Shop and Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. Walk through Hogwarts, see real props from the films, and even sip on a butterbeer. Imagine running your hand along the weathered bricks of Hogwarts Castle, feeling the magic seep into your fingertips. Step inside Hagrid's hut, its cozy interior a testament to the half-giant's gentle nature. Learn the secrets behind the flying broomsticks, the talking portraits, and the awe-inspiring creatures that captured our imaginations. If you're a Potterhead, this is a dream come true. Just outside London, Windsor Castle awaits. This is the oldest and largest inhabited castle in the world. With a guided tour, you'll explore the state apartments, St. George's Chapel, and even witness the changing of the guard. Step inside the state apartments, their opulent interiors a testament to the power and grandeur of the monarchy. Marvel at the priceless artworks that adorn the walls, the intricate tapestries that depict scenes of battles and coronations. Visit St. George's Chapel, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. And don't miss the changing of the guard ceremony, a spectacle of military precision and pageantry. For those venturing further north, the Balmoral Estate and Royal Deeside Tour in Scotland offers a breathtaking glimpse into the royal family's summer retreat. Stunning landscapes, regal history and an air of mystery make this a once-in-a-lifetime trip. So, dear traveller, whether you choose to explore the grandeur of Windsor Castle or the secluded beauty of Balmoral Estate, a journey into the world of the British monarchy is an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. London is packed with must-see sights, and the best way to make the most of your trip is with a Go City London Pass. The Go City London Pass is your key to unlocking a world of savings and convenience, allowing you to experience the best of London without breaking the bank. Imagine holding in your hand a passport to adventure, a golden ticket that grants you access to over 90 of London's top attractions. Enjoy huge savings on top attractions and skip the lines for an effortless adventure. No more queuing for hours in the London drizzle. With the Go City London Pass, you'll breeze past the crowds and straight into the action, saving both time and money. The Go City London Pass also includes a handy guidebook packed with insider tips, maps and itineraries to help you plan your perfect London adventure. Whether you're a history buff, a culture vulture or a thrill seeker, there's a Go City London Pass option to suit your interests and budget, so why wait? Unlock the secrets of London with the Go City London Pass and embark on an unforgettable journey of discovery. With its unbeatable value, convenience and flexibility, it's the ultimate travel companion for anyone looking to experience the best of London without breaking the bank. And that's a wrap on your ultimate London travel guide. From grand palaces to thrilling tours, London is waiting for you. Want to experience it all hassle-free? Check out the links in the description to book your guided tours today. Hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and let us know in the comments, what's your dream London experience? See you in the next adventure.